Hey, this is Wellstronics 3D. Today we're covering one of the services that we offer, and that's 3D scanning. I wanted to show you just a quick example of something that we 3D scanned and to show you the detail that we can capture and just to give you an idea of how 3D scanning can help reverse engineer parts or help you design around a part. So this is it's a low polygon animal. Um, you can kind of see the different triangles that were created from this, and this is a 3D printed part that we 3D scanned. We actually 3D printed this here at Wellstronics 3D, um, and we had some issues with it, so that's why I'm using this one as an example. And what I wanted to cover is the amount of detail that we can capture. So here you can actually see the layer lines. This was printed in 0.007 inches as far as layer height or slice height. Here you can see as it's going up a more of a horizontal surface, not quite horizontal, but slightly horizontal. You can start to see the stepping that happens in here. I'll show you on the front here what one of the areas that we had an issue with. As this was stepping up this direction, we had some layer separations, and it was just some bad print settings. So again, that's why I'm using this one as an example, because it looks really great on a 3D scan, just not very good on a 3D print. So we can scan anything as small as a quarter and probably up as big as 8 feet by 8 feet by 8 feet. If you have questions or you're looking to get something 3D scanned or some type of reverse engineering project, look us up online at wellstronics3d.com or give us a call at 612-587-2812. Thank you.